Your back is the most neglected muscle in your entire body, and it's costing you posture, pulling power, and pain you don't even realize is coming. Here's the truth. Everyone trains what they can see in the mirror. Chest, arms, abs. Nobody trains what holds them upright. That's why so many people walk around hunched, weak, and one heavy box away from a back injury. Today we fix that. No gym, no machines. Just your body weight and one move that builds a back like a wolf. It's called the wolf row. And here's exactly how it works. Find anything sturdy. A table, a low bar, even a door frame. Lie underneath it, grab the edge, keep your body straight like a plank, and pull your chest up toward it. That's the row. But here's the wolf part. You don't pull slow and lazy, you pull with intent. Sharp, controlled. Like you're dragging something toward you that doesn't want to move. Feel that? That's your lats, your rear delts, your entire upper back lighting up at once. This single move replaces rows, pull downs, and half the machines sitting unused at your gym right now. Now stack it. After your rows, drop into a Superman hold. Lie face down, lift your arms and legs off the ground at the same time, and hold. This locks in your lower back and spinal strength, the part of your back that keeps you from getting injured picking things up. Finish with reverse snow angels. Face down, arms at your sides, sweep them up overhead slow and controlled. This move alone fixes rounded shoulders and builds the kind of back strength that shows up the moment you put a shirt on. Here's the bottom line. A strong back isn't built by chasing a mirror muscle. It's built by training the muscles working behind the scenes every single day. Pulling, stabilizing, holding you upright. Wolf row, Superman hold. Reverse snow angel. 3 moves, 10 minutes, 0 equipment. Train this twice a week, and your posture changes, your pulling strength changes, and the way you carry yourself changes.